Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the alarm ringtone in this device. First, open the clock application, and to create, you can create an alarm. Then you can edit the ringtone also. Otherwise, you can edit any available alarm from here also. So here I am going to select this one. Now tap on the option ringtone. Now you can see the ringtone is this one, delight. If you want to set the inbuilt ringtone then you can select from the classic themes, otherwise aquamorphic themes. So here I am going to select this one, and simply here I am going to select this one. Now go back, you can see the ringtone is changed. So if you want to set a ringtone that you downloaded to a device, then tap on the option on this device. It will directly go to the file where you download the MP3 file, and from here you need to select the ringtone for your alarm. So here I am going to select this one. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. You can see. So simply in this way you can change or customize the alarm ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.